friends, welcome to Akul Mac Live. And today we have a very interesting show, and this is going to be a daily show, as you know. And if you want to interact with me live, then there are three methods in which you can interact. One is you can use the chat function here, and if you chat in your social media, it will instantly come here. I will read your question and talk about it by taking your name. Other method is you can actually join live with me with your camera and microphone. Use this code which is given here. As you can see, this is the code that is given here. It is the Meet code, and the lines are open. You can reach out to me and we can have a chat about the subject being discussed. The third very interesting method is join as an expert. So if you want to talk more about your opinions and what you do, then you can write to us in this email, and you can reach out to us and book your slot. So there are three methods by which we can actually have you interact with us. So moving on with our program, this is called Assimilate with Akul Mac, and very interesting thing happened last week, and this is about the ISRO, which is a premium space research organization from India, launched their solar power calculator. Now, you would say that, what is a big deal? I mean, I've been seeing the solar powered calculator for so long, but this is exactly where our thought process is going wrong. Basically, the solar powered calculator is not what they have launched. They have launched solar power calculator. And to explain this in detail, the earth gets the highest amount of sun on the equator and least amount of the sun rays on the poles. So as progressively you move away from equator towards the pole, whether north or south, the amount of solar energy that you can get progressively start. So the countries, if they want to invest, or if you as an individual want to invest in solar power, you want to get the solar power installed in your home, or as a district head, you want to completely do away with conventional electricity, but go on unconventional, which is solar power. But you have to know how much power is required and how much investment is required for me to basically get this whole plan rolled out. So, in order to know that, people will have to do they have their own mechanism, but this is something which has been done by ISRO for very, very long time, and now they are providing it to the rest of the world, whoever wants it, so that they know exactly in their land, in their piece of land on Earth, surface of the Earth, how much power is available potentially. And in order to do this, you have to rely on satellites. So when I say that it is not a solar powered calculator, it is the solar power calculator, and they're using the satellite technology. And for this activity, the geosynchronous satellites are used simply because they are stationary, as the name suggests, and they are way, way far away from Earth, almost like 36,000 kilometers, and then they start rotating in 24-hour orbit. And as a result, they will stay stationary on a place on the Earth. So ISRO has been pioneer in launching their geostationary satellites. They have been doing it for last 20, 30 years. And the calculator will actually give you potential solar energy which is available on the piece of your land, and they use the satellite technology. They will, so in the application, all you have to do is key in your coordinates, latitude and longitude, and the application will tell you what is the potential of the solar energy that point on Earth gets. So this is very interesting, friends, and this is something which is being done by ISRO, and anyone across the world can actually um, utilize this application or a process or a system to get hold of how much solar power their piece of land is giving, and that will give them a lot of headroom, elbow room and leg room to plan their activity. Maybe they have to try a combination because now they know that the set amount of solar power they are getting on their piece of land during daytime, uh, and it is not going to fulfill their need to run electricity in that district or house. So they can then start planning in terms of whether they need to go for conventional power, or they need to go for wind power, how much solar energy they can generate, and how much deficit they have, which needs to be fulfilled somehow. So I think this is a very good thing. It will help citizens of the world to start thinking about about the plan, the moving on to the solar power, and move away from fossil fuel, because even in the COP26 pledge that has been taken is to uh, reduce our carbon footprint, and we have to get to the goal of net zero. So I think solar power is most viable, always available. All you have to do is harness it, and in order to plan your activity, you have to know how much solar power is available in your area. And I think this solar power calculator from ISRO will be very helpful. As you can see in this picture, director of ISRO is announcing about this to the rest of the world. And I think this is a message for anyone who wants to utilize the application to plan their solar power requirement. I think this is something help them. So friends, I will move on to the next story, and I will just go take a break for a minute, and I'll be joining back just after a short break of 1 minute. In the meanwhile, you can actually start